Hey, and I am here today with the Cult Mystics palette. Ooh, Yes, created this look with it. So if you like the look, hit the thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Hit the bell to become part of the hashtag Notification Nation. Be alerted as soon as my videos go up. So now, let's get into making this look. Hello, hello, hello. Hi, hi, hi. So, don't mind the lawnmower you're going to hear in the background. I think the neighbors are mowing, so don't mind that. And today is the very last Cult palette. It is Cult Mystics. Make sure you can see that. Oh, isn't it gorgeous? Okay, so we don't need all this. I love that it says on it which palette it's from, so if you ever want to reference it, you can. That is pretty cool. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Hello, Jackie. Ooh, it's hard to tell just how cool these colors actually are. Try to move it around for you so you can see. So yeah, let's just get started. I already primed my eyes with my Bad Habit primer. So now I'm going to go in with Vision of that brown color right there. And that's going to be the transition shade. I'm wearing my Slay All Day Gerard Cosmetics t-shirt. Yeah. Let me get a Kleenex wipe off my Slay All Day mirror. Oh yeah, we are slaying all day everywhere today. Okay, so let's go into that lightly. I don't want it too dark. Just a nice little transition shade. I need to pluck my brows. Oh my. Probably should have did that, but I didn't realize I had to pluck them until I got this mirror out, and I was like, whoa, hello. Hello, got some brows that need plucking. It's alright, I'll do it this weekend or something. Oh, you're seeing this on the weekend, I forget. For me, it's Wednesday. For you, it's Saturday. So a very light transition shade. Okay, now we're going to go in with Resurrection. I am just knocking over stuff. We're going to go in with Resurrection right there. And we're going to lightly use that as a crease shade. And yeah, I want to start off light. It's a pretty dark color. So yeah, using a different Profusion brush. You guys, if you have any like suggestions on really good brushes that are inexpensive, let me know in the comments, because I could use some nice brushes. I mean, not that these brushes aren't nice and don't work. I mean, they work just fine, but I really want a whole set, you know what I'm saying? Yes, I'm loving that. Okay, I'm gonna go all over the lid. Well, what am I going to go all over the lid with? I'm thinking I'm going to use my finger. I'm going to go all over the lid with this essence. I'm going to drop this mirror. This mirror is going to fall. Okay. Sorry. With this essence color right there, like purpley, taupey purple. Yeah, that color. And I'm going to use my finger. Don't mind, I had to take my nails off. They were driving me crazy. And yeah, so now I'm just giving my nails a rest, so they're going to be bare and kind of crappy for a while. Okay, so yeah, there's that. This is what it looks like. All right, on the lid. Ooh, I like that color, it's pretty. That is a pretty color, isn't it? I like it a lot. Okay, now I actually want to go over that. Not over the whole thing, just like in the center with this illuminate color because it's so pretty. I don't know if you can tell, just, gosh, you can't even tell on camera. It's got like a bluish shift to it. It is so pretty. Okay, so I'm gonna use my finger, just pat that right in the middle. Look, look, look. Can you see that, guys? It is so pretty. Okay. Ooh, so pretty, look. Oh. All right, but we're going to go back into Essence just so we can blend it in. Like so. Okay, so that is beautiful. I love that. Okay, so now on the outer corner, we're gonna go into, we're going to go into this black, which is pagan, right? Can you see that? There. We're going to use that in the outer corner with this little itty bitty E.L.F brush, just a little. Don't want it too dark. Just want it there to, you know, create some depth. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with the crease brush, use what's on it, and go back over the crease, blend it into that black, and then in with the transition shade brush, nothing on it. Don't add more, just whatever's on it. Use that to blend the edges. Yay, I love it. Now some eyeliner. E.L.F liquid eyeliner as usual. Because you know, this girl gonna be popping on some lashes. And I'm pretty sure most of you know what comes next. Next comes lashes, face, and then I'll be back to finish the bottom lash line. Okay, so now we're going to go in and finish the bottom lash line. Now that my face is all done, I'm going to start with the pagan, the black color. We're gonna go in on the outer corner just a little bit, just to connect it. Okay, now we're gonna go in with the crease color very lightly, knocking everything over. I just want to add that I have been using the Believe Beauty products for my face lately. Just want to let you know that I if you haven't seen my wear test and review of the Believe Beauty products that Dollar General has, they're actually a Dollar General brand makeup line. I will leave that link below and you can go check it out. I was shocked. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with the transition color vision, and we are just going to blend that out a little. So yeah, guys, go check that video out if you are interested in knowing about Believe Beauty at the Dollar General. And now I'm going to use the Believe Beauty Long Lasting Eyeliner in Caviar. in my waterline. And last but never least, eye mascara. And I'm using the Lash Paradise. And that is it for this look. The Cult Mystics palette. Love, 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 love it. So yeah, if you like the look, hit that thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Hit the bell to become part of the hashtag Notification Nation. Be alerted as soon as my videos go up. So that is it for this video. I really liked the palette. I love the look that we created with this palette, and I most certainly hope you do too. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I also hope that you have a wonderful day. Bye.